Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment located in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be going over the 7x16 hybrid dump trailer with two 7,000 pound axles on it. First of all, we'll look at the tongue. This trailer is going to come with a 2 5/16 inch ball, heavy duty chains, and a heavy duty jack. If you look at the utility area, this is going to be a 6-foot utility area. Move on to the dump. The dump is going to be a 10-foot dump box. If you look here in the center, there's going to be a removable wall, so that way you can use the full trailer. The trailer will also have ramps that are mounted on the side. You will also have stake pockets located at the top of the dump. You're going to have 8-lug, 7,000 pound axles. Brakes on both axles. Come around to the rear of the trailer. This trailer is going to come with barn door style doors. If you look below, you'll see your clip to hang your ramps on. Coming around on this side of the trailer, you will see the side ramp, which you can use to load mowers and stuff like that. Any type of equipment you need to load on the side. Come back over here and show you the dump raising in action. Your remote's going to plug into the side of the dump right here. You're going to have a remote. It's going to have up and down on it. You go ahead and go up. So as you can see, it is a twin cylinder system. You're going to have your battery and pump located underneath the dump. You're also going to have a support under here, this bar. You can stand it up and it'll sit in that hole right there. So if you have to work on the trailer, it relieves the weight off the cylinders. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 or else visit our website at sleequipment.com.